प्रोग्रेसिव पंजाब इन्वेस्टर्स समिट 2026 के उद्घाटनी समारोह में संबोधन करदਿਆਂ पंजाब के कैबिनेट मंत्री संजीव अरोड़ा ने कहा कि पंजाब के इतिहास का सब तो बड़ा निवेशक सम्मेलन है। उन्होंने कहा कि समिट में अगले 2 दिनों दौरान विस्तारित विचार चर्चा के तकरीबन 30 सैशन होंगे। उन्होंने कहा कि उद्योगिक विकास लिए मान सरकार वालों कीते अणथक यत्नों के नतीजे अज जग जाहिर ने। उन्होंने कहा कि नवी उद्योगिक नीति सदका पंजाब उद्योग ते निवेश लिए देश का मोहरी सूबा बनेगा।
The Progressive Punjab Investor Summit is the largest investment summit ever organized in the history of Punjab, bringing together government leaders, global investors, industry experts, startups, and academia on one platform. And let me tell you, Rajinder Gupta ji, जिन्होंने मध्य प्रदेश इन्वेस्टमेंट भी की, असी एग्जीबिशन च इकट्ठे सी, कहते मैं मध्य प्रदेश भी इस तरह का समिट नहीं देखा, क्या ना हुणे। मित्तल साहब was also very impressed when he was taking round an exhibition, and thank you to both of the leaders. Over the next 2 days, we will host 30 plus sessions covering international partnerships, industry sectors, startups, innovation, academia, and emerging technologies. This summit is not just about discussions, it is about building partnerships and shaping the future of Punjab's economy. Today, standing here, I would like to make a clear commitment under the visionary leadership of our Honorable National Convener, Shri Arvind Kejriwal ji, and our Honorable CM, Sardar Bhagwant Singh Mann. We are determined to restore Punjab to its rightful place as one of India's leading economic powerhouses, a position it held proudly decades ago. The journey has already begun. In the past 1 year alone, Punjab has taken path-breaking steps to improve ease of doing business, simplify regulatory frameworks, and build a strong ecosystem for industry. The results are already visible. In 25-26, Punjab has achieved investment proposals worth over 55,000 crores, the highest ever in the state's history, and almost double the previous year. The momentum will accelerate even faster with the new Industrial and Business Development Policy 2026 launched last week. The policy we launched is most comprehensive, most flexible, most future-ready, most employment-oriented, and most environment-friendly. It gives investors great flexibility to choose incentives that best suit their business model. A truly investor-centering approach. Our focus sectors include both Punjab's traditional strengths and future industries, including manufacturing and advanced engineering, textile and food processing, ITs, electrical vehicles, and ESDM. Another key strength of Punjab is reliable and affordable power supply. As the minister holding the power portfolio, I want to assure investors that we are committed to providing seamless, reliable, and among the most competitive power supply in the country with a strong push towards green and renewable energy. Affordable power not only supports industry, it makes our businesses globally competitive. Punjab's greatest strength, however, is its people. Our hard-working and peace-loving workforce is known for its productivity and efficiency. In fact, a German investor who had come around 10 days back, and he came to my office and he said, Punjab delivers better operational efficiency than any other of their facilities anywhere in the world. That is the strength of Punjab. Our slogan, Punjab means business, is not just a slogan, it is a reality. As the Minister for Industries and Investment Promotion, I assure every investor here that my doors and my team are accessible 24/7. We believe in partnership, responsiveness, and solutions. While our guests from outside Punjab are here,
ਸੋ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਅਪਡੇਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਿਲਹਾਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੁੜੇ ਰਹੋ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਲਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਟੀਵੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।